Hello guys, my name is Logan. We are doing a Monster Jam stunt race today. You can see that there's track over there. Yeah, I set that up. And I have a new monster truck right here. I can feel it because it has a little hole. So that's why I got all my monster truck and set this up so we can do this video. All right, let's open this. Let's open this thing. What? What the? I was not expecting it to be this big. I thought it was gonna be a bunch of these little guys. First, I'm gonna do all the monster trucks, and this one definitely gonna be last. See the best. 3, 2, 1, go! What? Let's try this again.
Go straight.
Come on. What? Make this. Go! Oh! Are you kidding me? Let's go. I know Grandpa, Mama. He did. He told. He like this. He's a winner. This guy's definitely a loser. Loser. Last one. 3, 2, 1, go. He's a winner. The big guy winner. Beat that baby. These are going to be the guys who are moving on to the next round. We're doing this guy. Winner. Winner. Steamroll the monster. He scratched my finger. Will any of these guys get out of the race? Because we need 2 guys to win in this race. He wins. Thank you guys for watching this. If you want to see any of my more school videos, just type in Logan's school videos and you'll be right there. See you later, guys. Bye.